The Commission on Elections calls on those who raise election fraud allegations to present solid evidence. Here's a report.
Over 100 boxes containing 13,000 affidavits were submitted to the Electoral Contest Adjudication Department of the Commission on Elections. These were filed by the camp of Maylene Pineda-Cayabyab, the losing mayoral candidate in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Voters claimed discrepancies between their actual votes and the printed receipts from the automated counting machines.
Merong misappreciation ng kanilang mga ballots when they fed the ballot, iba yung nagre-reflect, no? Tapos yung iba naman merong mga pre-shaded. We believe na hindi nare-reflect dun sa eleksyon yung tunay na boto ng mga Fernandinos.
Pineda-Cayabyab from the influential Pineda political family lost to incumbent Mayor Vilma Caluwag by over 78,000 votes.
Sa maniwala at sa hindi, 239 clustered precincts. Ni isang presinto walang ipinanalo. Despite the vigorous campaign that we have mounted, that is one thing na unbelievable. Highly improbable.
Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama also questioned the results after losing by over 136,000 votes to winner Nestor Arquival.
Yung number ko usually, as it is being presented, ito 200,000 yun. Abot na nga ng 300,000. Bakit ang ending 120 lang? Tsaka optics, lahat ng mga activities, rallies, pumunta pa si Sara doon. Ang daming tao. Ibig sabihin, pag eleksyon nawala yung tao.
The COMELEC said they welcome electoral protests which follow the proper legal process. But they acknowledge that filing an election protest is costly, covering filing fees, ballot box access, and required documents. In response to allegations of pre-shaded ballots, COMELEC challenged complainants to present solid evidence.
Kung meron po, sure na hindi sa COMELEC. Kasi nakalampas po yan sa quality control natin. Yan po yung tinransport, yan po yung tumigil 1-2 araw o ilang araw sa opisina ng treasurer. So hindi na po namin custody yun kung biglang nagkaroon ng pre-shading.
Losing candidates may file election protests within 10 days after the proclamation of the winning bet. For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.